I am Qatar.
I am Qatar.
I am Qatar.
I am Qatar.
I am Qatar. We are Qatar. Ahoo!
Hello and welcome to the QNB 2020 Qatar Winter Dragon Boat Festival. It's taking place at the beautiful location of Mia Park this year, and we are to play a game of I am Qatar, we are Qatar, by getting people to identify famous dragons. What else? Stay tuned with us. We're going to walk around and see if these guys really know their stuff. Come on, let's go. Alright, so first up, your name?
Safira.
Who do you represent today?
Radioactive touch.
Alright, we're going to play a game with you. You're going to identify some famous dragons for us, okay?
Brilliant, let's
All right.
do it. The dragon from Mulan 2.
My name is Barbaros. I'm from 365 Adventures.
You guys do a great job, so I'm glad to speak to you. 5 famous dragons. Here we go.
This is the one from Mulan, but I'm not sure about them.
Mulan, that's good enough.
Okay.
I'm here with the guys from, what's your team name?
Angry Dragons.
They seem pretty angry. Okay, first one.
Mushu.
She got the name, well done. Who you guys representing? Okay guys, are you ready?
Ready!
Alright, first dragon.
Sidekick for Mulan.
They got Mulan. Mulan's close enough, guys.
Okay.
Ladies, who do you represent?
The Warrior Warriors.
Who knows who went movie?
Mulan.
We got a Mulan.
That's that one in Toothless, that's it.
I didn't even know that.
Train the dragon. Okay, what's his name?
Toothless.
Oh, that's the one from Train Your Dragon.
Well done, close enough. How to Train Your Dragon.
How to Train a Dragon.
There we go. There we go.
This is the one from the cartoon, How to Train Your Dragon.
Perfect, well done.
Oh, the Shrek one. I don't know what his name is.
I think it's just called Dragon in
Yeah,
Shrek.
the dragon, yeah.
Trick.
Anybody know the name of the dragon?
Donkey's wife.
Close enough.
This is the one from Shrek.
That is from Shrek. What is Shrek's wife?
On fire, on fire.
Yeah, the donkey's wife. Donkey's wife.
Anyone?
This is in the Shrek.
Shrek? Anyone?
Dragon.
Shrek Dragon. I think that's close enough. Game of Thrones, you got the show.
Game of Thrones. The dragon was supporting. Dragon.
The
Yes.
supportive dragon from Game of Thrones. There we go.
Game of Thrones.
There we go.
No idea about that one.
That is Bruce Lee, man. Oh my god, that's you.
Jackie Chan?
Bruce Lee! Enter the dragon! Is that you?
Bruce Lee, more famous than me. And lastly, do you know this famous dragon?
That's you!
It's the famous QatarLiving dragon, guys. Come on. Right, do you know who this famous dragon is?
The Qatar dude. The QatarLiving dude.
There we go. Alright, it is the famous QatarLiving dude and Bruce Lee. Brings us to the end of another episode of We Are Qatar. It seems like these dragon boaters really do know their dragons. But you never know when we're going to show up at your place of work, an event like this, or somewhere random and ask you to identify something. But until the next episode, please remember, I am Qatar, we are Qatar.
I am Qatar.
I am Qatar.
I am Qatar.
I am